Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Eve's channel. I'm here doing my Spanish food mukbang, and today we are having some white rice, some fried pork chops, and some pasteles. Now the pasteles are bananas made by my mother-in-law. She does an awesome job. And inside of it, this is how you open it. I showed you the previous video, so if you haven't seen it, you can look under each channel and it should be there. It's basically bananas. It's a few other stuff. I'm gonna ask her for the ingredients, but she can do it with pork, with chicken. This one is ground beef, so this is the way I like it. So what you do is you open it up, and the banana leaf that's inside, you basically take it out. So I normally just open it, unwrap it, flip it, and just comes off like butter. Now I'm just going to set this to the side right now, for now. It's really good. And then what I'm going to do is you can eat it with hot sauce, you can eat it with ketchup, however you want it. Now me, I like ketchup on mine, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, now, if this is your first time subscribing, okay, my husband is creeping on me. If this is your first time subscribing, and if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. If you want to know every time I make something new, hit that bell. And I love me some pork chops. It's fried pork chops, so it is what it is. And I like ketchup, so. Now you have to try it. It's really good. I don't really eat the pork one like that, but for each his own, so try it whenever you want. And if you look at my previous videos, I showed you how I cooked it, what seasonings I did, how much of the seasoning. Now if you have any questions, any comments, you can always, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Have you tried it before? Have you not tried it before? I'm still in the beginning stages of doing videos, so little by little I'm getting there. So how was everyone doing today? It was pretty good. It's nice outside. It was like 70 degrees today, probably a little over. It was so nice. You can mix it. I mix mine with my rice. And you got ketchup. Yay! Make it rain. They stalking me. My husband's creeping. He's not allowed in my video yet. He hasn't earned the right. So he's not coming in. Just messing with him. But yeah, these are really, really good. You have to try them. Seriously. If y'all know anyone who makes these, you got to learn. Either make them yourself. If you know someone that makes them, give them a try. It's really good. It's really good. I took these. We had Spanish History Month. My kids' school Spanish History Month last month. So they asked me what I was going to bring, and I told them I'll bring some red rice with beans. I brought some pasteles. I brought the pork ones. And I brought ham with a little brown sugar and some pineapples on top. It was their first time ever trying pasteles and trying my ham. Let me tell you, they was all asking for my number. Like, look, can you bring some more? Can I get some off for your mother-in-law? I was like, sure. She sells them $2 a piece. Why not? Really good. So worth it. Really. But yeah, their school, they never had this. His teachers never had pasteles. And a lot of people might make theirs a little bit differently. I'm not sure what else she has in there besides the bananas. And it's not yellow bananas. It's the green bananas, I think. And the hard yellow ones. I'm not quite sure. But, yeah. But she does her thing. I'll tell you that much. She's been cooking for over 60 years. I mean, beyond, whatever. She also add like little peppers in there or whatever. I don't eat it, but it's okay. I also have here my pork chops. Now my pork chops, the way I like to eat mine, I like to fry it in a frying pan. I like mine crispy. Now if I get the thick ones, then I make it, you know, a little tender because my husband likes it that way. My kids like theirs crispy. But look at that. Isn't it good? If y'all can't see it. It's really good. Now, sometimes I like to eat mine either with ketchup. I dip it. My husband's a hot sauce person, which we supposed to do a challenge. I don't know when. I don't know of what, but that's his decision. He's like, oh, I want to challenge you. All right, whatever. Let's see. I don't eat hot sauce. I don't eat not hot. So, I'm good. So, when I'm done here, I'll cook up a few things and see what we're going to eat. We'll figure that out. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full, but this is good. And like I said, if you like what I'm cooking, I have a lot more in mind. Just not, you know, right now. But, oh yeah, I got a lot more in mind. A lot of food that you sit there and be like, makes you want to think. And if y'all haven't tried that, for y'all. Dressing, seasoning, adobo, sofrito. You got to have sofrito in your cooking. Now, it's not, I mean, cooking is not cooking without it. It is that awesome. I'm telling you right now. I know how to make it, and I'll do a tutorial on that. So when I get the chance, I'll let y'all know. And I'll also do a video. So. My little birdie cup. Now, this cup right here, if you notice, some people might know where I got it from, some people don't. Now, this cup right here, I got from the Rainforest Cafe in Atlantic City. Isn't that cool? I love it. So awesome. And it's kind of slippery, but I'm going to tear this up. Seriously, it is that good. Look at that. So good. And then I'm going to do another one, hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to do another one. I'm not sure quite of what it's going to be, but be prepared for another one tomorrow. And I hope you stay tuned. I hope you give me a good thumbs up. If you like what you're seeing and this is your first time watching, hit that subscribe button. hit that bell to be notified. So every time I do a new video, you can see what I'm cooking today in Eve's casa. Okay? Because this is how I'm doing it. Now, if you have any questions, any comments, don't feel free. Feel free to write in. And let me know your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in. Really good. Don't mind anything in the background. I've been watching a movie, don't know what. Oh yeah. Sleeping with the Enemy. That's what he's watching. Isn't it a good movie? Very good movie. So good. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Now, anyone who has tried pasteles, y'all know what I'm talking about. If this is your first time ever trying it and never tried it and want to try it, find someone that knows how to make it, because I'm going to keep it real with you. This stuff is banging. Banging. Now, I'm not a very fast eater. I eat. Swimming. I was going to drink a Pepsi, but my son was begging me for it, so why not? You got it. I love my little thing. So cute. Right? I can't wait to, when I finish this right here, I'm going to look at everybody's videos, see who posted anything new. So, we'll see, because I watch quite a few people, definitely. It's just hilarious. The way they act, their conversations, they're nice. So let me know what you think. Give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments, if you have any questions, if I need certain help with, my new beginners video, then just hit me up. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what's new. And I'll be listening, I'll be watching, and I definitely will be reading your comments, okay? So thank you for tuning in to each video, and hopefully I will see you again, or you will see me again. So don't forget to like, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be notified to come and watch me again, okay? Bye.